Welcome to this beginner's guide on how to make your first dollar online. In this video, we'll walk you through some simple steps to start earning money on the internet. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time career, or simply some extra cash, we've got you covered. The first step in making money online is identifying your skill set. Are you a good writer? Do you have design skills? Are you tech savvy? Once you know what you're good at, you can start exploring different ways to monetize those skills. Let's take a closer look. There are a variety of websites and platforms that post freelance and remote job opportunities. Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are just a few options for finding online work. You can also explore job boards specific to your niche, such as journalismjobs.com or behance.net for design work. Another way to earn money online is to start your own business. This could be selling products or services through an e-commerce platform, creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or courses, or even starting a blog and monetizing through advertising and affiliate marketing. Once you've decided how you want to make money online, it's important to create a plan and set goals. This might include deciding how many hours per week you'll dedicate to your online work, how much money you want to make, and what steps you need to take to get there. With dedication and hard work, making money online is certainly possible. Remember to stay focused, be patient, and keep learning as you go. We hope this video helped you get started on your journey to earning your first dollar online. Thanks for watching.